Hello everyone, it's the Canadian Futures Trader here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the video. Everyone, I finally have created a free futures trading course. I want to go over it with you a little bit. Stick around if you want to hear a bit about why I made the course, what's in the course. But I will say up front, it is 100% free. If you just want to go check it out, go check it out, start working your way through the different pages. So why I created this course is, for one, I would still consider myself a fairly new futures trader. I've really only been doing it for a few years, and the way that I learned was just digging through information all over the web, on YouTube, piecing together what was good, weeding out what was bad, which is 95% of what the information out there is. And I thought, you know what, there's no reason everybody who's new to trading should have to go through this. Let me just take every bit of information and knowledge I have and put it into this course. Now, this course is kind of two different things. It has a lot of trading information in general, so things that will apply to everybody. When it comes to specific trade setups, I trade the Treasury products. All the videos, all the write-ups are going to be Treasury related trading. So if you're looking for a course on how to trade candlesticks, it's not going to be this. But it is 100% free. I think it would be pretty useful and valuable to new futures traders, or if you are interested in the Treasury products and trading off the depth of market, I have an entire page that's devoted just to every single setup that I look for. I don't want to make this video overly long. I mainly just want to announce that this was finally up. I talked a lot about it in the last month. If you come to my website, you will see up here, free futures course. You can navigate through all the different pages. I put a little description of what is on each page as well on the overview page. You can read a little overview, or on page 1 is an actual table of contents so you can find what you're looking for. As well, I plan on adding to this as time goes on. So this course really came from all the questions that I get through email, people asking about different things. So it's a collection of information that really was generated from you guys sending me questions. So with that in mind, on the final page, on page number 8 at the very bottom, I put the email form. It's the same form that's on my contact page. So if you have any feedback on it, good or bad, happy to hear it. If you have any suggestions, hey, could you include a section about this? Could you clarify more about that? Or you just have general questions about maybe some of the trade setups, how something works, etc. Feel free to send me an email. I get back to pretty much everybody, and I will most likely get back to you as well. So thanks again, everyone, for watching my videos, subscribing to the channel, visiting my site, all the questions you've asked in the past. I'm looking forward to the years to come. Things are only going to get better and better. This course will grow, the site will grow, the information and sharing will grow. Thanks so much for watching. Link down below, of course, to the course. Give it a look, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.